Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Ganny goes to Africa and beyond. Even though I'm out on the road, there's still laundry that has to be done. On the road means, hey, I gotta put up with some things. It's raining. But will you look here, look here, look here? What do you see? Ganny is about to have some fun. One of my favorite things, pinball machine. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. What? What? Bowling. Bowling lane. Uh-oh. It's gonna be up and popping and here. Ganny's about to go bowling. What? What? No, no, no. Don't tell me. What do I see over there? What? What? Girl, move out my way. Move, move, move. What? 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 Pool table. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Give a beer. Beer, hey, can I have a beer? Look at me, look at me, look at me. You see me? I'm playing that pinball machine. I'm playing it. I love me some pinball. I did so good. Check this out, check this out. Look, look. I did so good. Man, I was so worked up. I had to go get me some ice cream sherbet. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.